Puerto Rico. You just can't even spell PR. It's your girl Diavian, aka No Feelings, and we are going to Puerto Rico, aka San Juan. So after 2.5 hours, we're finally about to board.
Queremos recordarles que en el seguro vendemos cajas de meriendas y alimentos. Hoy hablando por el móvil, jugando juegos, oyendo música, tienen que tener sus audífonos puestos en todo momento.
So you don't actually think I'm thinking.
You know, she already look good, bro. She already, you know, she look good. She just wanted me to say it. She just wanted me to say it.
Welcome to San Juan. The local time here is 12:42 a.m.
We finally landed, y'all, and tell me why. I go to look at the B&B details so I can call the Uber or whatever, and the B&B details is nowhere to be found. B&B host never sent me the information. I'm literally ringing him down, calling him while I'm walking to baggage check, and he's just not responding to me. I think he found our luggage.
Welcome to Puerto Rico.
Thank you. Okay, y'all, when I tell you this neighborhood was sketchier than sketch, when I tell you I was terrified of this neighborhood, I'm over here trying to help my man, whatever, I'm running up the stairs, running. Like, hurry up, can we get inside? Because I was so fucking scared. It was cool because the owner lived right next door, so it was okay, but when we got inside, it was all fine, all good.
The next morning.
Okay, we are on our way to San Juan. Do you know the name of the beach that we're going to? We're going to Condado Beach. It's like a 15-minute drive. The Uber was like $13. This is the fit. I have on this green bathing suit from this brand called Vega. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. But yeah, super cute. Like the beach is literally right here. It's like a gradient.
She say, give me $5, I give you 2 chair, 1 umbrella. Check back in later.
2 hours later.
7377.
Yeah.
One hour later.
We had La Lanterna, and it's this Italian restaurant. We literally went to like 3 or 4 other places, and they were either closed, they looked dirty, or they were fully booked. So like, yeah, but it's so cutesy in here. It's actually outside, but there's a lot of greenery around, so it's just the vibe. There's a little bug in there.
It's not like, but it's, I ate all my food, but that shit was ass. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10 stars. She almost finished all her shit, but she got a lot of cookies and cream left. How you feel about
It's truffle. Thank you. It was like a 5 out of 10. It wasn't that good. It was too much truffles. This drink literally took the whole time we were here to come out.
Lick the rim.
Oh wow, that's good.
Sugar? and salt.
It's tagine and salt. Why is the drink the last thing to come out? And then they got my order wrong. Had to take back the wrong order, bring back the right order. It's too much. Y'all get a bad rating from me.
Day 2.
It's day 2 in Puerto Rico. And we are going to get some breakfast at Tostoros, something like that. This is the fit. Cute. Can y'all even see? Cute little denim on there. I did like a double skirt thing. We got the pumpkin fritters. They look delicious. Oh, you're fine. Check.
What you learn?
Check. What's a berry? A berry is a fruit that came from one ovary and has seeds. Once it grows, it has seeds. Some fruits that are berries are bananas, watermelons, grapes are berries, strawberries aren't berries. If you didn't know, welcome to my TED Talk about berries. So we finally got a rental from Enterprise, and we are going to head to some other stores that a local told us about. Hopefully they got some good stuff. I like that one better. Are they the same thing?
No, they're different. It's the same. Sleeves are so short. It's fabric booty cheeks too.
The cut is ass.
A few moments later.
We are on our way to the beach to kill some time before our excursion. We're doing ATVs today. Baby, you so excited?
Yeah, ecstatic.
I can't tell. I want to get like a breezy drink or something. You know?
Yeah.
A breezy drink.
Yeah, a little celestial. Oh look, they got skinny horses up there too.
Oh my gosh, they're not feeding the horses.
That's a redneck. We walking back from over here, taking pictures. Take a million pictures, you know what I'm saying?
Good? Yeah. Hold on, let me tie you down.
I probably gotta fix my hair, but it fits.
Okay.
I chop a nigga like some scissors. My bitch put up with Berettas. I just want the fucking cheddar. I'm the one that do it better. I'm colder than a blizzard. My bitch smell like Story Little. I don't know him, told him little. I don't trust him, nah. In Miami, high as fuck. I might pull up the wall. If you run inside this crib and you gon' hear a fall. Tell him I don't wanna diss.
Day 3.
Today is day 3 in Puerto Rico. We are at the El Unique. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Rainforest for an excursion. We're gonna just like be exploring the rainforest. They have like waterfalls. What is it called? Water slides.
Yeah, natural water slides.
Natural water slides. Just like being in nature, hiking vibe. Yeah, we have to like drive to the location because it's literally in the forest. Okay, y'all, we about to start hiking. The lady gave us a lot of rules. We can't bring any phones. We can't bring any. Basically, we can't bring anything. She said anything that you don't want to get wet, don't bring. I'm gonna get some footage on my phone and just like maybe transfer it to this video so y'all can see like what up there look like. Party, my evil queen.
Puddles right here, very deep. If you step in them, you'll lose your shoes.
Yeah, we about to go up with them too.
Be careful with your nails.
That's that slide over there. You just gotta
Go with the mosquitoes. Here.
Oh my. This is nice.
I thought we made it to the side. We're going down this way. Super easy, guys. All you have to do, legs together, arms cross, and then up. That's it. And then go down the line. When you get down there, you're gonna swim to the left.
I'm scared. I don't know how to swim to this deep, but I got one of these, so hopefully I don't drown. Show me your flag, baby. You Puerto Rican now.
Puerto Rico now.
No.
Don't worry, hon. You got it. Hold your nose though. Go for it, hon. Okay. You got it, girl. Go for it. Yeah. You can go. Fine. You got it, hon. Just do it. You got this. You got it, girl. You got it. Step down, hon. It's okay. Step to the
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
one. Of course. There you go. Now go. Now it's better. Go for it, my guy.
So we just finished the tour. We are walking back down
Oh,
to
yeah.
the quads.
Quads.
You had a good time, baby.
I had a great time. It was fantastic.
I really do not like all this mud. I've been trying to avoid the puddles as much as possible, but it's almost impossible.
Just get used to it. You don't even notice.
Yeah, I noticed. Okay. My feet feel nasty now because it got in the mud.
Don't push me.
You're not moving fast enough.
No, you trying to get out the mud.
The hell? Just left the ATV. I'm getting tired of these videos. I'm saying the same things over and over.
You just said ATV.
I know. We just left the rainforest. It was so beautiful. We didn't see any like crazy creatures or like animals or anything, but the landscape was really nice. I'm scared of heights, number one, and I can't swim. I thought I was about to drown.
We're gonna play that clip right now. As you just saw,
Are you being for real?
she was scared. Are you being for real? Started instantly. would have had.
So they calling you Bob. Stop.
Ain't it? That's
What's that other song? That nigga said.
Do you
believe that airplanes in the night
That one was hard. Don't even do a man like that.
That's him. That's him.
Wish right now. This is the nachos.
This is my pina colada.
Fucking queso. We just ordered another pina colada because she didn't get drunk enough. I'm grabbing her butt right now.
They wish they could see that. That's exclusive content.
That's on the OF.
They're gonna think we have OnlyFans.
We do.
Do we give OnlyFans vibes? No.
We about to go do this Polaroid, so tune back in. Slap me niggas.
On our way to the beach to try to catch the sunset. A little outfit change.
Okay, baby, I see you. These women acting like they know me. No way, you know they see through.
Oh, I got hiccups. No. Hiccups take forever to come on my body. I don't know why.
Lie to myself, say that I don't need her. We gon' try again.
Beautiful ass view, man. You already know the fucking vibes.
How do you rate the view, babe? Okay, I'm getting ice cream.
I need a munchie.
What is it? Martise. Martise Serrano. What's cold in here?
Delicioso, nigga.
Bad bitches look both ways when they cross the street, okay? Okay? We in Puerto Rico, you bitches can't even spell PR. I'm talking like. Okay, now my husband's gonna get my door for me. I wanna try your. Is it good?
I was already about to get to you.
That is kind of good.
Day 4.
It's our last day in Puerto Rico. Bittersweet because I really miss my cats. I never do one of these names for these places. We hit Old San Juan before our flight.
Look at balloon heels on the feet.
We got Luebe on the. You gotta ask me, hey, how you doing?
Alright.
What are you wearing today?
How you doing? How you doing
Actually,
today?
Come this way.
Oh my god, I love your outfit.
Oh, thank you.
Can you tell me a little bit of where are you from?
I'm actually from New York.
And what's your name?
Diavion, aka No Feelings.
That's a beautiful name. Beautiful name.
Thank you.
What are you wearing today? Start from the bottom. Those are some very amazing shoes.
Oh, thank you, thank you. These are Luebe shoes. Yeah, a little cute little sandal.
What's the dress?
The dress is from this brand called Sketchy.
Yeah, I see this bag. It's a nice bag.
Oh yeah, this bag is also Luebe.
Oh, Loewe, okay.
Yes.
What are the glasses? Let me guess. Loewe as well?
Yes, Luebe.
Are you sponsored?
I am sponsored, actually.
Everything abandoned out this bitch. That looks like some Miami shit right there. Some architecture from Scarface. Oh, the name of the shit, Miami.
Everything that looks like Miami is called Miami in here.
Oh, is that so?
So we are in Old San Juan. This is like the most historical area of Puerto Rico. It has all of the historic architecture. It has the ports where the Vikings used to fight and all that. But don't quote me on that. We don't have a tourist. We don't have a tour person. So we're kind of just exploring on our own. But yeah, look how beautiful. And sad at the same time.
So you fall off.
It's in here.
What? Both of you?
Sure. Please.
Of course.
Got it, baby. Okay, this is supposed to be the port where the slaves came from.
Oh.
Huh?
No.
What is it?
I don't think that's what slaves came.
This was Caribbean with Johnny Depp? Y'all seen that?
The pirates docked, maybe. This is the fort, and then it was a path straight to the church or some shit like that.
Teach them, baby, history lesson right there for you. Nah, for real. When we go up there, we gonna figure out what the hell really happened.
Puerto Rico was like a safe haven from pirates.
Yes. Okay. The dry mode. So basically, what I just read is the enemy will have to climb over to get your ass.
The people's attacking. See, it's the enemy. This is them shooting down and hiding in the wall shooting.
The dry mode. So we are right here, right? So you have to, once you get off your boat and shit, you're gonna have to run, and get through here before the enemy get here, and you gotta close the door. Then them niggas gotta jump over here, while the defense is gonna be up here shooting down at these niggas. You feel me? Yeah, that's what it is.
Man, the devil was on.
I need food. I don't need those. I don't think we're supposed to go back here. Go ahead.
All the pastors must be.
Oh my God. It's a crematory. This person must have got mad love. They got the most stuff in their case. I'm not dressed appropriately for church today, but trust me, I mean well. Okay, y'all, we just left Caribbean Beads. I got my bracelet, but I have to wait. Until tomorrow for them to ship it because I guess they're too busy to make it right then and there. So hopefully it actually makes it. I never ordered anything from Puerto Rico. Now we have to hurry to the car because the flight takes off in 2 hours. How far you think it is, babe? 5 minutes?
Close. Well, we could go that way. Come on. Oh, it's neat.
That is the end of our trip. We are on our way to the airport. Hopefully we don't miss our flight. We literally have to board by 6:20. It is 5:45. Pray for us. No, for real. Pray for us. Like dead ass. Like
yeah, after the video
dead
already
ass.
released, pray for us.
Like dead ass.
You made it.
Leave me alone.
No. She made it. How you feel?
I'm not happy.
So leave me
I just had to run the whole fucking airport. Like I'm fucking sweating my fucking wig off my damn head and I have a band on. How you do that? Look at my top lip. I'm literally sweating. And I have to pee. I honestly don't give a fuck, man. Just get me home, man. Honestly.